Alright, back again. For some reason it didn't work right, but okay. I gotta rebuild the fence. I had to take it all down just to get that in here. And then gotta make my gate today too. So this is going to be very, very interesting today since it's kind of cold. About in the 30 degrees, somewhere in there. I'm gonna take one of these green poles, put it out here somewhere. It's probably right about maybe in here. And put one of these panels here to make a gate. And then gotta wire all this back up all the way around the out perimeter of the house, or my backyard anyway. So that's gonna be fun. But at least we got it back here, got it in the yard, so now we can start putting the fence back up, building my fence back up. It is very cold today too, so it's gonna be very, very interesting today. Very, very interesting today. So I will get to that, and I will do updates here and there. So I will see you guys later.